Most traders fail because they are addicted to losing money. So, this Sunday, while the entire world was asleep, I did something that felt completely illegal to my brain. This is day 1 of my 30 days Elite Trader challenge, and I am locking myself into a routine so brutal it forces success. The rules are non negotiable. Only trade A plus setup, work out daily, meditate twice, quit all junk food, and read every single day. My alarm hit at 6 a.m. I immediately logged in with a 10 minutes of meditation and vivid goal visualization. Then, straight to the desk, 4 hours of absolute zero distraction backtesting. After fueling up with a clean breakfast and tea, I picked up the book Trading in the Zone. It hit me with $1 million reality check. Trading isn't about collecting 50 different strategies. It's about mastering one single setup and becoming an absolute sniper at it. As Bruce Lee beautifully said, I fear not the man who has practiced 10,000 kicks once, but I fear the man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. Pick your one kick, master it, and refine it every day through journaling. Here is the hidden truth most beginners miss. Market discipline is just a mirror of your personal life discipline. If you cannot control your morning, your mind, and your diet, you will never have the patience to sit on your hands and wait for an A plus trade. Even though I woke up feeling sick today, I permitted zero excuses. I forced myself to do a 45-minute walk right inside my home. I recovered with some great family lunchtime, crushed an evening football session with my buddies, and finally wrapped up the day at 10 p.m. with another 20 minutes of meditation and reading. Day 1 is completely crushed, but tomorrow morning the real market opens, and that is where the real test begins. I am hunting one specific chart setup tomorrow that will either make me rich or break this whole challenge on day 2. Comment the word setup right now if you want to see my exact plan tomorrow. Smash that like button, subscribe so you do not miss day 2. And remember, you will never win if you act like the rest of the world, because this feeds right back into the first line of this video. Most traders fail because they are addicted to losing money.